Hey everyone, Scott from Scott's Top Tips. On this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to level a picture on the wall or any type of decor using a glass of water. And you're honing in on the water line. Let's get into it. Now, the ideal method or tool to use is a leveler. You can get these at your local convenience store, your pharmacy, grocery store. You can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, whatever. But let's just say you don't have one right now and you need to hang a photo or a picture frame right away, and you don't want to just be inconvenienced to have to go out and get one of these. You can use a laser leveler to show you why a simple glass of water works just as well. And that's how a leveler works as well. So you can see the air bubble in the center there. That's basically your gimbal. And you want it to be set between the two black lines, and that means it's completely level. You look at it here, you just angle it to exactly where it sits. And that is perfectly level, just like that. Now you can use any type of fluid as long as it doesn't have soap or bubbles in it or leaves a residue on the side. So I showed a glass of water always works well. Shot glasses. I even use my little port glass or a wine glass, and you put some water in it. There you go. You can see the level line right there. You can use alcohol or soda, whatever. Again, it has to be more like liquid water, but you can see once it settles, you're gonna get a nice little horizontal line. Same thing, if you don't have alcohol or you don't have a clear glass, you can find mouthwash, does the same thing. So put it right here, and you can see the level line right there. And you also could use just a Ziploc baggie of water, okay? Right up on the wall like that, you got your water line right here. Now you're gonna have to have like a pencil, marker, just a little pen. You can do little divots here because you want to mark the edges here, and that is the beginning of your level line for the object that you're trying to level on your wall. You know what I mean? Now the first thing I want to do is I'm going to demonstrate how you can calibrate and ensure that this line is level, and it actually is. It's physics. You know, all of the water tension or fluid tension is pulled by gravity evenly, so you're going to get an even line instead of a squiggly type line. So if I want to hang my frame or my decor here for the holidays, you can see as you hang it, it's cantered here, right? It's hanging down to the left. So let's work off of the bottom here, and we will get a nice line that you can actually even up to make sure that it sits evenly 0 degrees horizontal. So I'm first gonna get it somewhat horizontal here. Now I want to put just a small mark right at the bottom. There we go. Take this off. So now what I'm gonna do is grab my bag, and I can look through the bag and I can see my mark, and I can pull my water line right up to it, right about there. This is where you want to take the edges here. One right there, one right there. Now I have one here and I have one right there. Those are even. Now I put my frame here. There you go. That is an even frame. Now let's do with the shot glass, and notice this is not as wide, so you'll have to do one extra step. But again, these are just different ideas that you can use to be unconventional. All right, I'm looking at the water tension, let it settle out. You want to get eye level with the line, put a mark, put a mark right there, okay? And now you want to find a straight edge of something. I'm just going to use this envelope. There you go. Again, you just lightly go across. And there you go. It is even. Okay, there you have it. Simple, quick video tutorial how to level unconventionally items on the wall if you don't have a laser leveler or an actual leveler that you get from your hardware store. So Scott from Scott's Top Tips, thanks for watching all the way through. Please go back through, watch all my videos all the way through. That really helps me out and the algorithm to push my videos out. Like, subscribe, comment, all that junk. And we will see you on the next one.